today we have something pretty special, and it's a cheap alternative for something really super expensive, and I got here on the show, and it's gonna be amazing. So if you look online on Amazon for a wireless mic, the cheapest you're gonna get is like $130, $40, $150, and it goes up to $1,000, which is insane, and we definitely don't have the budget for that right now. And so today I have a cheap alternative, which is literally less than 50 bucks and probably like $35 or $30. We have a wireless mic, and this thing is a beast. Yo, what up guys, Kareem here, back with the new video, and without further ado, let's just go ahead and test that thing.
That's the second time.
Every time I forget introducing my bro, my homie Derek,
Okay.
this guy is hilarious.
Okay.
And first things first, this is not an unboxing video, like I said. It comes from Fifine Technology. What you get in the box is a dear thank you letter, the manual, basically. So this is the thing that sends the audio, and this is the receiver that gets connected to the mic. And this adapter right here, it does not come with it, but if you want to use it with a DSLR, you have to buy this. This thing's like $5 to $8 on Amazon. And so here you have the receiver. It has an XLR plug that's like more professional, and it has the antenna right here, and it has the switch on or off button, and that's pretty much it. For this one, the one that sends the mic, there's a mic that comes with it already, and it's a different type of plug that you plug it in right here. You align this black dot with the opening right here, and then you push it inside, and boom, you have the mic. It comes with the batteries already, so here's the batteries. It takes 2 AA batteries, and the other one, it takes 2 AAA batteries, and it comes with it as well. To adapt this mic to a DSLR, you need that audio adapter. You put it in the XLR, and then you have a 3.5mm jack. There's one problem I see with this thing though. If you plug it in the camera like that, by the way, it wasn't made for DSLRs, so I can't really blame them for not being able to mount this on a camera, but I'm pretty sure I'll find a way to do it. But anyway, for $30, I cannot complain about the quality. And so for this one, you basically put it in, like on your belt, and you hide it inside your shirt. First things first, there's the on button right here, so you press that, and then it lights up, and then boom, now it's on. And then for the other one, there's actually just a switch. You switch it like this, and then boom, it's on too. And as soon as it lights yellow, that means they are connected and they're ready to shoot. Now I'm gonna unplug my mic that I'm using right now, which is the Takstar. If you guys haven't seen that mic already, it's also 30 bucks. It's like a budget shotgun mic. I'll put a link down in the description for you guys to watch the video. I'll put it at the end of the video. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and test this thing out. I'm about to plug in my camera right now and see how it goes. So as you guys can see right now, I'm using the mic, the Fifine mic, and I'm positive that the quality is gonna be very, very, very satisfying, because I already trust this company. You know what I'm saying?
We know what you're saying. Hey.
Anyway, so I'm like in the back right now. Pretty sure you guys can still hear me. I don't really know what is the range for this thing. Like 20 feet, yeah, maybe. I don't know. Look. Boom, in my necklace. Like that.
Alright guys, so what I want you guys to do right now, I want you to smash that like button. Please leave a comment. It helps us out. We figure out what to do better and how to make it better for you guys. And please hit subscribe, turn on the notifications. We make videos, we turn it, you see it first. That's what's up.
Thanks for watching. Boom.